Good morning, everybody. My name is Sonal Shah. I am one of the director of Canon International Private Limited. Um, Most of the students must be knowing what we are. However, would like to give you some brief information about our organizations. Canon International Private Limited is a 24 years old company, and we provide services for the students who are interested to going study abroad for USA, Canada. Also, we have a training institute for we run the classes for the foreign exams like TOEFL, IBT, IELTS, PTE, Duolingo, GRE, SAT. Um, and also we are doing UK student visa too, and recently started Australia too. But our core expertise is US, Canada and UK. Also we have a immigration division, which in that we are helping to the candidate who wants to settle down in Canada with them family. So today my would like to give brief informations about how the education system works in USA, about applications process, admissions criteria, documentations guidelines, visa interview preparations, and then we'll cover your question answer session if you have any query. So also, my main focus is going to be what's the update in a week. So there is a visa update. What's the current scenario for the student visa? And Canon team, how the Canon team will help you. Before we go into details, I would like to my informations about myself. I did my MBA from US, from one of the leading universities. Then after I was working in the same university as an international student advisor. So I have my own experience which I would like to share with you. So I was on the status of students as well work visa. So we would like to share that with you also. So I would be the right person. As I have a 23 years of experience, it's a huge experience in these industries. So many other companies are also doing, but you have to decide which one is the right, which one is not. So not only me in our company, but my other counselors, the department of fair, they all are trained by me, and we do frequent training with them. So our motto is, before we promote any universities or any countries, our practice is like we always visit there. I've been myself to visited more than 87 universities and more than 36 states in USA. So I have seen all universities, about the systems, how it works, about the locations. So when we counsel the students, we have a different confidence because we visited personally there. So we can live the scenario to the students how it's going to be there. We can explain more about the campus, we can explain more about the residence options because we have our own experience. So far we have sent more than 25,000 students only in USA for further educations. It is not like US is one of the toughest country for visa, for settle down. No, it's a wrong interpretation. So US, in fact, US is the only country who has a stable criteria for the visa, for the applications, everything. Like we have started our company in 1995. Since 1995 to till date, nothing has changed for admissions and for the visa. Only the change that happened, the dollar rate. Before it was in 1995, the rate was 34 rupees 36, 34 to 36, but now it's 76, 77 rupees. That's the only major change happen. So it's good for the students. Otherwise, rest of the all rules, regulations, criteria is the same. So it like in between sometimes US consulate has opened the dates for interview as well as your biometric. So since 2 days they have opened this system, so now we can take the dates for the interview. They have started, they are going to be start from October 1st onwards for the students category. So in this live session, whoever are interested, they may contact us for the further details if you are interested for the student visa process, or if you already have I-20 in your hand and बाद में अभी आपको visa interview के लिए process करना है, so you may contact us. Our team will help you. So ये जो expertise है, what does that means affect to students? सो एक्सपर्टाइज जो हमारी है फॉर द यूएस है, जैसे मैंने खुद एमबीए किया है, आई बीन टू मैनी यूनिवर्सिटीज, वर्क इन द यूनिवर्सिटी एज इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट एडवाइजर, सो वी नो द कोर प्रोसेस फॉर द एप्लीकेशंस. जैसे जीपीए कैसे काउंट करते हैं, एप्लीकेशंस थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस कैसे होता है इंटरनेशनल डिपार्टमेंट में, व्हाट वुड बी द अदर क्राइटेरिया विद जीपीए, नॉट ओनली जीपीए. जीपीए सिर्फ आपका एकेडमिक अच्छा है और I-20 आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. देर आर टू मेनी अदर थिंग्स. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस भी होता है, इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट, अदर टेस्ट, हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी अफेक्ट टू योर एडमिशन डिसीजन. सो ये प्रोसेस का भी हमारे यहाँ से डिटेल्स में गाइडलाइंस मिलता है. देन my next sessions would be on day after tomorrow again, and that is going to be detailed knowledge about the admissions criteria for undergraduate, graduate and PhD. So if you are interested, you may join again day after tomorrow. But today is going to be focused more on the visa, because almost one semester summer chala gaya, तो स्टूडेंट्स आर कंसर्न अबाउट के हमारा कैसे, अभी फॉल भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो नेक्स्ट इनटेक वुड बी स्प्रिंग 2021. सो उसके लिए दिस इज द राइट टाइम. आप जिन लोगों ने एप्लीकेशंस कर दिया है, सो दे मस्ट हैव रिसीव द I-20. सो विथ I-20 के साथ आप यू कैन टेक द इंटरव्यू डेट. जो आज बिफोर 2 days ago the date was not available, but since 2 days they have opened, and you can take the visa interview date. We will help you. They have slightly changed for the process. Our team will help you there. And biometric होता है, interview preparations होते हैं. In this COVID-19, it's going to be difficult little bit. सोशल डिस्टेंस का उनको अरेंजमेंट करना होगा. सो दे हैव अ लिमिटेड डेट स्लॉट्स अवेलेबल. जैसे पहले फॉर एग्जांपल 200-300 स्टूडेंट्स आर अपियरिंग इन वन डे फॉर द वीजा इंटरव्यू एट मुंबई. अब ऐसा नहीं होगा. सो यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन वेरी क्विकली, not like before. Previously also they were like we were having issue with the interview date for the student visa. because उनका बहुत lengthy processing time they have made now. So it's not like आपको next week interview date लेना है तो आपको easily मिल जाएगा, नहीं. Now you have to wait at least for 2 months. For example, in these situations you have to wait 3 to 4 months. आज for example आज date book कर रहे हैं आप interview की, आपको जुलाई मंथ इज रनिंग, आपको अगस्त सितंबर की नहीं मिलेगी. यू विल गेट ऑल द वे इन अक्टूबर एंड. सो द माई मेन purpose for my today's live session is going to be, guys, if you have decided, if you have I-20 in your hand, don't waste your time. You may start immediately process. आपको अक्टूबर एंड की डेट मिलेगी. द फर्स्ट डेट is available on October 17th, and then after others dates are available. But I think look like in a week they will give 2 to 3 dates options, not more than that. Till today is this scenario. Then after last to last weeks, in last 12 days, a lot of things has happened in USA related to international students. You must have read the news in the media, in the news, various newspaper by media, saying that जितने भी इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं सबको इंडिया, जो इंडियन है वो इसको इंडिया वापस आना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का जो कॉन्सेप्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज वालों ने रखा था, सो द यूएस ट्रम्प एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज डिसाइडेड कि वो नहीं चलेगा. यूएस, बिकॉज यूएस में जो है द यूनिवर्सिटीज का जो फंडिंग है, इट्स नॉट कंट्रोल बाय द गवर्नमेंट. सो द यूनिवर्सिटी हैज टेक द ओन डिसीजन इन द फी स्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो, except the public funded universities, because in USA variety different kinds of university organizations are there, which like one university's categories is controlled by the government, which is say public state university, another is private public, third category is private, fourth category is community college. So there are different, I will not go into the details for this. We'll cover on after maybe day after tomorrow in my session about the varieties of universities criteria and all. So काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने जिसके I-20 फॉल में आए थे, उन्होंने डिफर के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया यूनिवर्सिटी. सो हम लोगों ने भी यूनिवर्सिटीज को वी आर टेलिंग देम, गिविंग देम प्रेशर टू इश्यू द I-20 early as soon as possible so they can take the advantage for the visa interview dates. यूएस में जैसे आपके पास I-20 आ गया फॉर द जनवरी इंटेक, so you can go for the visa interview days within 120 days. That means in 4 months in advance you can apply for the visa interview date. It's not like 30 days 60 days में apply कर सकते हैं. If your university is going to start in January, then earliest you can go for visa interview from September onwards. So that's the biggest advantage. So जिसके पास I-20 है, प्लीज़ स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट आप एज सुन एज पॉसिबल डेट का प्रोसेस आप शुरू कर सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक द एडवाइस फ्रॉम आवर टीम, फ्रॉम अस. We have a different location in Gujarat, not only in Vadodara. In Vadodara also we have two another locations. Head office at Trident Complex, another is at Manjalpur and VIP, new VIP Road. Also we have office in Surat, Bardoli, Navsari, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Anand, Vidyanagar. So you can go to any of our centers and take the services from us. स्टूडेंट्स का जो वीज़ा है F1 वीज़ा, वो जनरली द US कॉन्सुलेट इश्यू द वीज़ा फॉर 5 years. Doesn't matter the program durations. If you are going for undergraduate, your degree would be 4 years, but you will get the 5 years visa. That's the standard policy of US consulate. They have been issuing visa for the 5 years straight. If you are going for the master's program, your program duration would be 2 years, but you will get the visa for the 5 years. They give the grace periods. And after your study, US government is giving work permit. But in USA, it says OPT period, optional practical training period. So they are issuing visa before that. It's not like आपने पढ़ाई कंप्लीट कर दी उसके बाद में आपको अप्लाई करना है, नहीं. It's the by default you will get 5 years visa, and which covers your OPT periods also. In USA, there is no age bar, no backlogs criteria, no academic criteria, no English proficiency mandatory requirement, no SAT, GRE. They are very pretty flexible, US university, because reason behind that, in USA more than 3,800 universities are there. So most of the students applying into, they prefer, we want to apply in ranked university. What does that? Different kind of ranking university systems in USA. It's not necessary like Harvard is known for the economics program. It's not for the engineer. For engineer, if you are looking, you should go for MIT, CSU, Berkeley. So in USA, each university has a different ranking. Some university has a general ranking system, some has a departmental wise, so it depends. It's very to university to vary. But so we help to our all students, whoever come to us, to identify the university programs. We always advise them according to parents' financial situations, how much father or mothers are earning in a year. According to that, we suggest better you go into this university or that university. It's up to you, but we always suggest that it's preferred to go into that, where you will get maximum advantage, where you will get easily job. We always guide. Our team is guiding to students when they come to us. That's our advantage, and we have this all knowledge we gained during our 23 years of experience. But the main concern is, in this situation, students are confused. They don't know where to go, what to do. They are confused because you will have different countries options available. US is there, Canada is there, Australia is there, Germany is there. Where to go, which country is more suitable to you. So we help them how to select the country, which program you can go. Because आप कोई भी country choose करो, reductions since 2017. Since 2017, the percentage of the students ratio is increasing every year. So last year we can say in 2019, from India, 13% students growth has increased compared with the 2018. So nothing has changed, as I told you, and students are going. जैसे गुजरात से फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर बेस्ड फ्रॉम गुजरात, तो गुजरात से कम जा रहे हैं बच्चे ऐसे लग रहा है, बट द सिटीज लाइक मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, द ह्यूज क्राउड आर गोइंग टू स्टूडेंट्स वीजा टू यूएस. स्टूडेंट वीजा जो कैटेगरी है इज F1 कैटेगरी. उसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ अंडर ग्रेड के लिए स्टूडेंट जाते हैं, सिर्फ मास्टर्स के लिए जाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. देर आर शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज ऑल्सो, 1 सेमेस्टर कोर्सेज है. कई सारे इंटरनेशनल स्कूल्स है, उनका एफिलेटेड XYZ यूनिवर्सिटीज यूएस के साथ होता है, वो शॉर्ट टर्म स्टडी एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम में भी ले जाते हैं बच्चों को, तो वो भी काफी सारे नंबर्स है. करंटली फ्रॉम इंडिया which include F1 visa category, which include undergraduate, masters, PhD, short-term visa category, and OPT period पे more than 2 lakh students are studying right now on student visa status in US from India only. Number 1 is China, number 2 is India, number 3 is South Korea, number 4 is Saudi Arabia. So these 4 countries are leading countries and has a huge contributions to Department of Commerce in USA for them economic growth. In fact, US वाले कभी ऐसे डिनाइल नहीं करेंगे स्टूडेंट वीजा के लिए. जैसे ऐसे कभी कोई सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं कि बट यूएस में तो वीजा अभी मिलेगा नहीं, बंद हो जाएगा. नहीं, सभी कंट्रीज को इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स दे इनवाइट. दे लव टू हैव इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज उनकी इकोनॉमी में हेल्प होते हैं. इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स का जो ट्यूशन फीस होते हैं इट्स वेरी हाई कंपेयर विद डोमेस्टिक स्टूडेंट्स. सो यूनिवर्सिटीज वाले को तो पैसे मिलते ही हैं, एज वेल एज अवर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो गेट exposure, international exposure, and they are providing them other benefits, advantage also. It's not like only tuition fees. It's a win-win situation. Students को भी है advantage, universities को भी है. So the US has a huge economy impact from international students revenue. So US में कभी वीजा बंद होने वाले है नहीं. I don't see any negative future for USA. And visa is very flexible. सिर्फ 1 minute interview. In USA, you don't need to pay advanced tuition fees. You don't need to pay any other fees like living expense का कुछ भी criteria नहीं है. You have to just secure your admissions, which says I-20, go for an interview, and visa officer will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. And he covers like 4 to 5 questions and they take decisions. They want to know when you appear for visa, they want to know how much confident you are, how much knowledge you have about the university, about the course which you have selected. That's very important when they issue the visa. So if you fulfill them requirement, you will get the visa. It's not like आपको इतना फंड दिखाना पड़ता है वीजा के लिए, ये होगा तभी आपको वीजा. There is no such criteria by the US consulate for student visa. Criteria is to have I-20 in your hand and your English proficiency should be good, because they will take interview in English, so they will ask question obviously in English. So when students come to us, our expert team will prepare them. Once they get I-20, then we'll prepare them how to face interview, how to take the visa dates. Visa interview date, it's not the easy task. It's time consuming. आपको सिंपल वीजा इंटरव्यू डेट लेना है, you have to go through many obstacles and it's time consuming. As I told you, it's a long question forms. Our team will help you to fill up the form. They process, they ask for the all details and process everything behalf of you. they will help you. We in our team, Kishori is the senior manager, and she takes care about the visa interview preparations. Myself also involved in the visa interview preparations, about the visa interview date and biometric dates. She help, and she has another colleagues also who can help her. So your case would be on right hand when you approach us. Once you secure the visa interview date, we will prepare you how to face the interview. We will give you more and more practice. We will improve your efficiency, because 1 minute will change your career. बिकॉज इन यूएसए जो वर्क कैटेगरी वीजा है उसको जो H1 बोलते हैं, OPT बोलते हैं. सो जो OPT होता है इज काइंड ऑफ वर्क परमिट. सो किसको, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर गोइंग MBA, so how many months you will get work permit? So those informations will cover in my day after tomorrow sessions. So if anyone has any questions for visa interview or interview date, you may ask now, or you can stop by to our office between 10 to 7, any of office, but we would prefer to come at Trident, or you can call us if you cannot able to come to us. Anyone have any questions?
Yeah. One student's asking, ma'am, I got the 7 band in the IELTS with the one module 5.5. So it's possible to get visa?
Yes. For, as I told you in the beginning and in between, for the visa interview, there is no such criteria in USA. They don't ask any English proficiency specific requirement. They check how much English you can speak. That means they check the English proficiency. So it doesn't matter even if you have a 5 band in one module. So in USA there are 2 tasks. One is admissions. So to get the admission, they see your IELTS requirement, your GRE, SAT and academic requirement. Once you secure your admissions I-20, then the US consulate generally do not interfere about the English proficiency, because it's by default they know without English proficiencies the students will not get I-20. So they believe on that. They trust have on you. So it doesn't matter even if you have a 5 or 5.5 in one module.
Okay. Should I use the I-20 of the fall 20 in the month of October?
Yes. As I told you, in 120 days, within 120 days of university starting date between, you can apply for the visa interview date.
Then when will the embassy going to open?
So embassy, when it's going to open, that we do not know yet, but they have started giving visa interview dates. So we predict if they are giving visa interview date, that means it's going to be started. So it's going to be open till today news. It's going to be open from October.
Can we start the online classes for the fall 2020 and then we try for the visa for the January? Then what is the chance for visa?
This is very specific questions. It's up to your university where you get I-20, and visa officers. Because US consulate is not insisting to anyone, and they are not motivating anyone to that you study for fall 2020 online courses and then apply for spring 21 in person and apply for the visa. It's not going to affect at all, but it will help. If you already started your online classes, it's going to be help for the visa interview for sure. But it's not like you will get 100% visa. That you have to keep in mind.
Okay. Hi ma'am, as I done my BCom here in India, it was 3 years course only. So will I eligible for the master's degree program, and also what will be a duration of the post study after masters?
Yes. So you have done BCom, which is 3 years degree. There are some universities in USA who accept 3 years degree and you will get admissions for MBA. That's only one option. And if you want to do MBA with different specializations, yes, the MBA duration would be 2.5 years, and once you complete MBA, you will get 12 months OPT period. But nowadays, in few universities, they have launched MBA with under STEM program specializations. And if you apply into that university with the STEM program in MBA, you will get OPT 36 months.
GRE is being to waive for the spring 20 intake?
It's not like specific intake, but many universities have started now. They don't ask for the GRE. Many universities waive the GRE for certain programs, not for the all, but certain programs.
What is the main point we have to take care during the visa interview?
For the visa interview, most important, personal appearance, confidence, and English proficiency. That's it. Doesn't matter from where you have received the I-20, how much funds do you have, what's your future plan. No. Generally the visa officer sees how confident you are, how much knowledge you have. So how do you measure the knowledge? By using English proficiency. So that's very important.
And after this COVID situations, what will be your chances to get visa?
Look like we do not have any update related to COVID-19 situations, but look like all countries in the world damage a lot. So everybody's are looking, because economy has affected very badly in everywhere, not only in India, not only in USA, but everywhere in the world. So the international students is one of the resources to grow the economy. So look like